Fucking seagulls.
Fucking birds.
Good. It's just flying in circles. No more fucking pigeons on this beach.
You got it, don't worry. Watch now.
Back to our camp.
Spider-Man's house.
Yep. Guess whose that is?
Not mine. Just kidding, it's totally mine.
Where are we, Katie?
We're at the beach.
Yup. We made it.
Made it.
You drove here.
I did.
It's a big day for you.
At the beach, chased a pigeon. Is that another pigeon or is that a seagull?
Seagull.
That's
Seagull.
I don't like seagulls much either. They're not as bad as pigeons, so.
I should just compile this with the other footage from Chicago.
Katy chasing pigeons.
Katy chases pigeons. Part 2.
Fucking bird.